Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. I'm back out and about. Tonight's the first night out and we're in Jomtien. I've come at the little, it's a little night food market on the left, second road coming down through to Jomtien. That's me ribs. Now, I'll show you a little bit around first. It's a great little food market. Fon loves it here. Say hello. Fon loves it here. She likes the soup. I'll show you the soup when it comes. I'll have to cut it, so I can't wait for it. I'm going to be putting on my vlogs as much as I can now also. Daily exchange rates here in Pattaya. I did have a subscriber and I'm really sorry I forgot you. I wrote it all down and forgot it. But he said, Kev, why don't you do like a daily exchange rate? And I thought that I hadn't thought of it. I never thought of it. I thank him very much, and I shall start doing that. But I can't promise it every vlog, especially living out. I'll be moving to East Pattaya the weekend, the dark side. So I don't, when I go into Pattaya Central, I will get the exchange rates or see if I can find out what they are and say I'd prefer to show it because it will show all American, English, Euro, everything, and all I'm doing, I video the exchange rate desk, the box, so you can see everything. Anyway, this is the soup. We have to make it ourselves. It's brilliant. But from here we'll be going over to the it's like a beer garden, but it's the Jomtien. They call it the beer garden. There's no garden there. A lot of bars, a hell of a lot of bars. It's quiet now. I don't know where it will be. But from here we're going straight over to the Jomtien beer garden there. So I'll show you the soup shortly. Oh, here, look. You get this pot with coals. Sorry, wrong name, coal. And you make it yourself. You put pork in it, all the veg, everything, and it is so tasty. It's really, really nice. And Fon loves it. So she likes it. When I say we'll go Jomtien to the night market, here's the meat. And she puts it all in that pot and we have a nice soup. How much is it, honey? 200. It's 200 baht, fills up 2 people. And very, very nourishing, so it's worth it. Anyway, I'll leave you. I'll let her cook that, and from here we'll go over to the beer garden Jomtien. See you soon. Bye bye. We've had our food, the night market here, and I'll show you here, this part, second road, Jomtien. The other side of the buildings is the beach road. This is the night food market. The two of us, the soup, which was more than enough, big rack of spare ribs, bottle of water, was 320 baht, 160 each. So happy with that. And then right, market, Jomtien beer garden. And we're gonna have a little walk down there, show you around it. I hope the lights light enough. Taxi driver, motorbike. Oh, get a lot of people from Jomtien here. It's because it's in Jomtien. Fucking idiot I am saying that. But it's actually busier than I thought at the moment. Maybe the front bars are always busier. Coming up, we'll keep showing you. There is, I believe, 28 or more bars run down the middle, just the middle. And then you've got the side bars and little restaurants and stuff. So it's quite a big place actually. There are a few bars here that have live music, which is really good. They have big screens, big screen TVs. It's not a bad night out. There's lots of girls here. And do you remember the Piss Stop bar? The Piss Stop? Why? Why do they do it, eh? Why do they do it? But there you go. That's what they do out here. They seem to like it and think it's funny, but... Oh! Don't tell Mama bar. Please, please, please don't tell Mama. She'll hate me. Got the Porky's Cafe restaurant. See if you get the tooth off the pig. So yeah, there's live music at this one, thank God. Something to live. Party Girls Bar, yeah, promising, promising. Only one problem. That's the problem. We're going to stop and have a quick beer, but I'll show you around a little bit more. Cheers. Still got ice on it. They're cold. Again. I'll have to buy her some now. What? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I give you. Don't do that or I'll break your neck. Sorry honey, I tried. Right, that's the Party Girls Bar. San Miguel light, 60 baht. How bad that? And one each, 120 baht. 60 baht compensation to the girl that I tried to steal her flowers. Everyone's happy. It's out of the court. But it's a Wednesday night. Listen, they say, oh, Wednesday night. If people are on holiday, they're out every night, yeah? And, oh no, it's quiet, it's Wednesday. And as far as I'm concerned, if people are on holiday, you'll be out every fucking night. I don't understand it when they say, oh, it's Monday, it's quiet night. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. But there are so many bars here, and this place should really be rocking. It really should be. Some nice bars, nice girls, nice area. So, yeah, I love this bar. There's a few people in there, so someone loves it anyway. But you've got restaurants to the sides, a lot of bars, a nice area. I think maybe they would be better if you could get here on a BART bus or so. The BART buses stop and turn right at the Loet stand to Jomtien beach, and this is probably 100 metres past the Loets, going on the second road of Jomtien. So it's really only the people from Jomtien that would come here. Pattaya, why? Especially if you got to walk 100 metres, they won't walk 50. They're so unfair, so unfair. Like me, I come in my car. But it is a nice area. It's the Jomtien beer garden. Nice bars, nice girls. The pool's free. You go in, play pool all night, it's free. You get a massage while you're here. So it's got everything here. Just needs more people. Maybe a BART bus route coming past it would help. But there you go. Anyway, Fawn's tired. She's worked till 8 PM tonight and she wants to go to bed. And if you like my little vlog, give me a thumbs up and a like. Please share. And if you see it and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. There will be more. And I'm trying to get out as many as I can. I'm moving this weekend, so it could take a little. I've got a lot of packing to do. But I will see you very, very soon. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Good night. God bless.